So when you look at the market, sometimes the market will be in a mood wherein it just wanted to keep going higher and higher or keep going lower and lower. In those scenarios, many traders tend to miss out the moves. So this particular strategy is going to be for the people who are looking for overnight positions. The morning is around 1 lakh, and towards the end of the day, if the OI is closing at around 5 lakhs, on that particular index, the market should be closing near to the day's high, or in fact closer to the day's high. Yes, overnight risk reward is going to be very risky, but hello everyone, this is Sivakumar Jayachandran, founder of OI Pulse in one click. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a free scalping strategy and most importantly, a strategy which can give you good returns provided we meet all the parameters. For the Upsurge users, this might be a very interesting video. The reason why I say that, many a times we as scalper, we may not be able to scalp intraday. Sometimes the market may not be giving you large moves, or sometimes the markets can be a range bound moves. And there are days wherein the market would have given you a significant move, but we would not be able to take positions during intraday because it would have just seen past the levels at which we wanted to take an entry. So this particular strategy is going to be for the people who are looking for overnight positions, though it cannot be completely considered as scalping, but those who have missed the intraday and who wanted to just try to get a move wherein you'll be able to scalp few hundred points, or it can be 20 or 30 points as well. So how it can be done? Let's deep dive into the video. In this video, you are going to be looking at how to take overnight positions on the BTST. Yes, talking about BTST, it's not only going to be a position which you needed to be looking at for indices, it can be for options as well. But I would suggest this particular strategy works very well with the indices. And if you're looking to play in the indices, I would suggest like Nifty and the Bank Nifty. That would be the most interesting ones, which will give you significant returns. So on that note, what is this strategy is all about? What are the things which I needed to watch out for? So when you look at the market, sometimes the market will be in a mood wherein it just wanted to keep going higher and higher or keep going lower and lower. In those scenarios, many traders tend to miss out the moves. What is the significant thing which I wanted to see when the move is happening? Whether the move is happening with the volumes. If the move is happening with the volumes, what I would suggest, these are the things which I would look as a trader who needed to take a position on this BTST strategy. So on those lines, I would watch for following parameters to be fulfilled if I wanted to go and take a trade on the BTST strategy. So what are the things? First and foremost, the market should be on that particular index, the market should be closing near to the day's high, or in fact closer to the day's high. And this particular strategy I would normally look to take between 315 to 330. If the market is closing near to the day's high, just look out for the open interest. Open interest needed to be completely long build up or short build up. If it is market is moving higher, I would look for a long build up, provided the OI also closes at the day's high. Imagine the OI in the morning is around 1 lakh cumulatively. And towards the end of the day, if the OI is closing at around 5 lakhs, and if you look at the markets opened at around 20,000 in the morning and opening and closing at 20,100 in the evening. That's the day's high, or maybe 5 or 10 points from the day's high. And if it is closing and the open interest is closing it at the day's high, that's a sign wherein the bulls are giving it to you and telling you, guys, whatever the things which we did intraday, we are going to continue that for tomorrow. We are going to be continuing that for tomorrow.
We all know that when it comes to scalping, Siva Sir is the best. And guess what? Now you can be too. Check out Siva's top 4 favorite option scalping strategies live only on Upsurge. Each strategy comes with a clear step-by-step guide to help you become a successful scalper. To keep it affordable to all, you can choose any strategy for $9.99 or buy all 4 strategy for $2,999. You're just a click away from transforming your trading game. Check out the link in the description box. Now, let's get back to the video.
So when the market closes at the day's high, along with the open interest closing at the day's high, which is indicating a long build-up, that means several bulls wanted to take this market further up. That's a perfect sign for a follow-up, and you will be able to carry home a position with the risk reward. Yes, overnight risk reward is going to be very risky, but someone who is looking to take a trade, who is looking to make money in overnight trades, this can give you significant rewards. Apart from long build-up, what are the other factors which I needed to look at? You can also look at short covering. So what is the indication of short covering? The same scenario. The market will close near to the day's high and the open interest will close near to the day's low. That means a positional or an intraday short sellers who have been holding the positions on the indices, they are closing it. When they are closing it, they are ready to cover their positions at whatever the price. And that's the reason sometimes you will see the 230 to 330 move. Many people keep asking, right, Shiva, why you ask people to avoid, if you're an intraday trader, to avoid 230 to 330? That is a time most traders who are positional players or like players with large money, they adjust their positions, they take directions, they wanted to wind down their intraday positions and they carry the positions for next few days. So positional players, what you needed to look at, either a long build-up or a short covering if you are aggressively bullish on the market. If the market closing near to the day's high, if we are having a long build-up, that means open interest is also closing it at the day's high, or open interest closing at the day's low, but market is closing at the day's high, which is called a short covering. That is also another scenario wherein you will be able to carry home the positions for a gap up in the following day. So 90% of the times you would see the market giving you a gap up that will give you like a money or the rewards in the opening minutes. And usually people ask me, sure, what should be the risk reward? Yes, overnight position should be really risky. I would keep like 51:1. So if you're keeping 30 points or 50 points on the downside, you also needed to look for 50 points. But sometimes it can be 1:2, 1:3 as well. Considering the momentum and the kind of money that has been deployed the previous day, it will determine the gap of the following day, provided the global markets also support it. So in this video, we have shared the BTST strategy, which will be a very good one for the positional players. And it's a free scalping strategy, which is available on Upsurge. I hope this video would find good. And we have done a lot of videos on the Upsurge on different strategies. I would expect you all to just have a look. There are some strategies which might benefit you in terms of the intraday and also positional. Okay, with that note, I'm signing off. This is Sivakumar Jayachandran. Thank you.